Military divorces have many unique challenges. I know because I went through them myself. From 2003 to 2012, I served in the United States Navy. Throughout that time, I personally went through and saw many of my brothers and sisters in arms go through divorces, child custody situations. It was tough. But good news is we can help. The military has its own unique language. What is DFAS? What is BAH? What is BAS? What is COLA? COLA? On earth does my pay stub say? We can help you. The military also has unique retirement options. There's the pension, there's disability, there's the 401k, which is called TSP. We can help you through all the challenges to get what you deserve. As a military member going through a divorce, you may be asking, how am I supposed to keep up with my case? I'm across the country. I'm across the world. What about my time with my kids? What can I do? Well, I have good news. The Civil Service Members Relief Act is there to protect you, to ensure that the case does not proceed without you being able to participate. As a member of the United States military, you have special protections only for service members. A lot of service members or service member spouses will ask, where do I even file my case? We're from out of the state, but we live in Tampa Bay at MacDill. Or we're Florida residents, but we're now stationed out of state. Where do we file? And the answer is you have a lot of options that non-service members and their families don't. As a service member, you establish your home state when you join, and unless you change it, that remains your home state. That home state has personal jurisdiction over you. However, where you currently live may have jurisdiction over your children just because they're residents of that state. A lot of service members will ask, who exercises my time with my kids while I'm deployed overseas? And that answer has changed. It used to be that a service member could designate another family member to exercise their time, but the law has changed. Now, there is no such protection in place. Make sure you work with an attorney to make sure that your parenting plan has specific protections that are not there by statute. Because even though they're not there by statute and by law, we can write them in. We can work on that for you. Give us a call today. In 2007, I served on board the USS McCampbell. When I was off the coast of Japan, I found out that my wife was pregnant with another man's child and that she had filed for divorce. It was a terrifying, horrifying, and awful experience. I don't wish that on anybody. There is nothing worse than everything you've worked for your entire life being gone in an instant. At Tampa Divorce, which can be found at tampadivorce.com, we can help you to make sure that you don't feel the same powerless feeling that I felt. Again, I was not a lawyer when I went through this divorce, so I know how it feels to be far away from your kids, from your home, not having any idea what's going on. I've been there, and I want to be there for you. tampadivorce.com, tampadivorce.com, tampadivorce.com. Hire a veteran who's been in your shoes.